Today on Mom to Mom, we are making homemade treats for your fur baby. Our sweet dogs are like our babies, right? So I love to create little treats for them. Well, simply because we know the ingredients, right? And they absolutely love these. I'm calling them cheddar puffs for your puppy or for your dogs. My dogs go crazy for it. So all you're gonna need for this is a cup of flour. You're gonna need a half a cup of fat-free evaporated milk. Make sure that it is fat-free. Then you're gonna need a fourth a cup of Parmesan cheese and shredded cheddar cheese. So what you're gonna do, and 1 egg as well. So what you're gonna do is put all your ingredients in a bowl, which I already have mine made up, and it creates like a dough consistency. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Spoonful these guys out. I use a teaspoonful to kind of just measure the right amount for your dogs. If they want a bigger treat, so be it. Put them on a greased pan, stick them in the oven for about 9 minutes or so until they're golden. Pull them out, let them cool a little bit, and you're ready to serve up these guys to your dogs. And they absolutely go crazy for it. And again, I love it because we know what the ingredients are inside of it. If you have any wonderful treat ideas that you would like for me to do on Mom to Mom, just message us up on our Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.